this channel. This is such a bad idea. And yet here we are. We're doing this. Alright. Hi there everybody. Welcome to a brand new YouTube channel. I am the Queer Armor, and I am going to be here showing you a wide variety of shit from a queer radical perspective. Get ready for a long bumpy ass ride. So, I'm the Queer Armorer. You can call me Armorer for short. I am queer as fuck. I have worked for a few years as an emergency responder, and a few years before that as a rescue op. And since then, I have done work as a medic and also as an activist. I am a massive geek. I am the type of person who obsessively studies things, and importantly, I tend to work into weird little crevices of projects. So my focus is always on odd topics and on strange things, and I have collected an odd, frightening encyclopedia of information that I want to start sharing with the world. As far as my perspective politically, I am absolutely queer and somewhere on the socialist spectrum. However, I think a lot of this channel comes from the fact that I'm tired of political divides separating us when there's a lot of stuff we'd all agree on, including, for example, the world would probably get better if we just armed the poor. Jesus, fuck, this video is a speedrun of getting a channel demonetized. Let's keep going. This is going to be all over the place. We're going to be talking about video games, socialism, books, tactics, occasionally drink a little alcohol. Ooh, we should take a shot. Why not? Cheers to the new channel. Tastes like if death was fun and gasoline flavored. Culture, more guns, technology, and basically everything in between. So definitely to start, and for at least the first little while, we're only going to be doing one video a month. And the reason for that is I want to be able to produce quality content for you, as well as, frankly, have a life. I've worked on channels before that have overpromised and underdelivered, and I want to make sure that we avoid that. So for right now, we might do more, but absolute minimum, one video a month. And even though I view myself as the Queer Armorer as a title, I am hoping a lot of people are going to watch this journey and some of the videos that I make, some of the stuff that I learn, and some of the stuff that I teach about, and start adapting that title to themselves. Because this is about community and about building things that can help make the people around you safer and better off. So remember, moral doesn't mean legal, and Stonewall was a riot.